Highest here 2 power 3 is 8 times. Here 3 power 2 is 9 plus 4 power 2 divided by 2. Here 8 times 9 is 72 plus here 4 square divided by 2. Here 72 plus here 4 square is 16 divided by 2. Here 72 plus 16 is 88 divided by 2. Here 88 divided by 2 is 44 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 44 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority. This is the exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication, division both are equal priority. Also this addition, subtraction both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce this left to right rule in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. We don't have the bracket in this problem. The next priority is the exponent. We have the exponent here and here and here. So we have to do this exponent before this division, addition and multiplication. So here 2 power 3 is 8 times. Here 3 square is 9 plus here 4 square is 16 divided by 2. Here we have multiplication, addition and division. The next priority is multiplication and division. So we have to do this multiplication and division before this addition. Here multiplication, division both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right. Here left to right is 8 times 9. So we have to do this 8 times 9 before this operation. So 8 times 9 is 72 plus 16 divided by 2. Here we have addition and division. Here division is higher priority than this addition. So we have to do this division before this addition. Here 72 plus here 16 divided by 2 is 8. Here 72 plus 8 is 80 is the correct answer.